Good day everybody, my name is Quaid and welcome back to another video. And today I'm actually going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 5. Now to be fair, I've actually been using the Series 5 for a while, but I felt like I would put it all back in the box and put all the proper documentation and everything in there. So I can kind of replicate the experience for the video, so it'll all work out really good. So let's go ahead and tear into the box, but before that, let's take a look at this embossed Apple Watch logo on the box. Of course, it's got a bit of dust on it, but that'll be fine. We have the Apple Watch Series 5 Space Gray aluminum case with the black sport band, 44mm of course, and it looks absolutely nice in this box. I have to say, the unboxing experience for all of Apple's products is absolutely phenomenal. So, how you're going to get this open is you're going to lift up these tabs on the back. Would you please focus, camera? That'd be great.
What the fuck?
Focus. There we go. Lift up those tabs. Place it on the table preferably. Lift up the back and lift up the front. And you are greeted with two boxes. Now, one box contains the Apple Watch bands and this one contains the actual watch and documentation. We will leave the actual watch box over here for whenever we're ready to get to it. So, let's go ahead and get into the bands. Press down. And lift it up, just like that. There we go, perfect. Alright, pull that tab, and the bands come out like that. We just lift that up, and it shows you how to attach the bands. How helpful. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at these bands. So, you have the smaller band for people with smaller wrists, like me, and you have the bigger bands. I've actually been using the bigger bands for a while, so let's just take those out of the housing, and let's use those bigger bands. So here you have your silicone bands. Now, these aren't like your regular silicone bands. Normally, this regular silicone that I normally get with other smartwatches is a kind of rubbery one, and they just kind of like, I don't know, they just grab onto lint really easy, but this is really nice to touch. It's like a soft touch, and I really like the way it feels, and I love having this on my wrist. I have to say, it's absolutely great. And of course, you get to flex your 44mm choice on either band, so let's set those aside. Alright, so now that we have the bands, let's get into the actual box. So, here's how it unboxes. Classic Apple style unboxing. It just gently slides out of the box just like that. Here's the actual watch. So, watch is right here, obviously. Let's look at the documentation. And you obviously get your charger over here and your other accessories right over here. Here's your documentation, including warranty information if you got one, and some good old Apple stickers. I think there are Apple stickers. There are not Apple stickers. Okay, I lied. There are not Apple stickers. So do not count on getting Apple stickers. I don't know if you bought the watch just to get Apple stickers. I know I did. So let's go ahead and lift this watch out of here. It's actually, I'm retarded. I'm actually supposed to put the watch in like this, because there is a little nub for the digital crown. So let's just go ahead and get that out of the box. It actually comes in this really cute little felt sleeve. It's really hard to take out. I feel like I'm just going to fling it across the room. So, before we go ahead and get into the watch itself, let's go ahead and clear up our area real quick. I know I'm probably leaving the watch out of the shot a lot, but let's just go ahead and put these watch bands on. So the way you put them on is there's these little slots right here, and you just slide watch band through until you hear the click, and you should be fine. Alright, and if you want to take them off and exchange the bands for something else, there's a little button you press on the back, it's a release, and you just slide them out. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the basic nitty-gritty of the operating system in another video. I just wanted to show you the unboxing experience, and I will do a part 2 here soon. So you guys can watch it in segments, so if you guys just wanted to see the unboxing or just the operating system or things like that. So if you guys like this video, leave a like down below. If you want to see a series dedicated to the Series 5, tips and tricks, all that good stuff, I will definitely do that. So, leave a like down below if you liked the video. If you didn't, you can hit that button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great weekend.